Welcome to Jared's Bike Checks, where motorized bikes are a way of life. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're here in the Big Bend. We got the bike leaned up against the old busted truck. Ford. Oh, this is a work of art right here now. There you got a propane bottle or something. Oh, yeah. What we got here? Etzel or some shit? I don't know. Somebody's old street rod that is rusted down. Some big cactus. I think it says pizza up on the sign. Oh, Fiero? I think it's Fiero? Pontiac Fiero or something like that. A true piece of crap from the fucking 80s. It looks like it's been sitting here since 1980. Oh, it's a Porsche. Oh my. 914. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching.